the moment, prepare for Sunday game. So, yun lang. And today, nakaka-challenge. Kasi, pag maganda laro mo, maganda yung mga write-ups. Pero pag may nag-struggle ka, may mababasa na write-ups. So, talagang challenge yung sarili ko today to be aggressive, to be a leader, to be a veteran. Usap kami ni Raymond, ni Bob, nakita namin yung article, sabi namin, step up tayo kasi minsan, katulad nga sabi niyo sa interview, minsan, struggle ka, maganda yung nilalaro ng team. So, kahit nag-struggle ako, I'm giving way sa teammates ko. Maganda nilalaro ni Bombino, maganda nilalaro ni Climax yung game. Yung isang game naman, Sinyo, maganda nilalaro. So, give way lang, give and take. So, ayan, nakuha namin, nag-step up kami nila rin yung laro.
Going back to you, Coach, having said what